The prince has returned. What's good, PZ family? Yeah. Alright, the prince has returned. I know you all must be saying, is this nigga not trying to do YouTube or what? I know that you must know this without all this video. Hold on from video. Why not do nothing or anything? So, damn, my hair looks so whack. I should have brushed my hair before I do this, but as you can see, got it put aside. Proceed. So, what's good, PZ family? Comment down and tell me what I'm going on, isn't it? Just comment down and tell me what I'm going on if you don't feel like it or not, but look up on yourself. So, I'm here to tell you guys, I am back from. Oh, wait, go. Wait. Oh my god. Who's that? You go like this. Have no fear because Princezach is here, ladies. But anyways, there no. I really crazy dude there. Big thing, my thing. Biggest thing. That's what it is. Pick up on yourself, and I'm here to tell you why I have not been posting and all of that shit. I'm not giving you any content for watch. And all them things in a video I post, a 2 video, and see me so 2 video this and another video I post it. And like when I say, or this dude is not posting enough for and I say, why do we not see we just after 3 months you know post and anything? So, yeah. So I'm sorry, so I'm not able to post when they come to my brain, that's what I got. And I tell the honest truth, first topic on hand is the place to bombard hot. Honestly, place hot like fire. My house like my house is literally on fire. Honestly, my house is on fire. You see me? I'm dead. I'm at the door. I'm right over there. And the place hot like fucking crazy. So anyway, let me tell you what I'm not post. The reason I'm not post is because I have something called school stress. You see me? I have a lot of schoolwork doing. Not necessarily a lot, but let me say, I try to keep on top of it and I try to do everything. You see me? I try to do them, isn't it? When I can't think about now, when I really do this video now, I'm supposed to have 3 something we need to do. You see me? 3 something we need to do. You see me? And the rest of them, I try to keep on top of them. See how I feel. And so like, them up, I don't want them pile up on me. Because I tell the honest truth, anybody say online school is stressing them, I lie about that. And then again, I just want to get here, see me? You see? Yeah, I just want to get here and chase goes, big this and that and problem just drop and boof for cut. Someone said that bombard, like things are girls out here being very cruel. Girls out here being very cruel, so I ain't gonna talk about that shit, but anyways, school, a little foolish gonna distract me, and when it's a school of foolish, right? Okay, for a little fool incident come and distract, but school now me I try to keep on top, but now me like say a little break I come up, so you see me? I come in and see enough work I go on because then 11th grade I go back to school and everything for CSC. So the teacher them more like to pay attention to 11th grade, so I want to leave one them at 10, 9, 8 and 7. Now then I will pressure them as much more. I said notes. So I just print notes and me have more time to post more videos, you see me? So if you don't want a video more, you just comment down and tell me. I will check my Instagram page, I will post up if you don't want a video. Like something one for the strap on, you know. But again, I Q&A, like a Q&A video, isn't it? Let's say a Q&A video. Videos that you want to do, and just send me them, I'm gonna do them, isn't it? I'm gonna get vibes, every video will be vibes, isn't it? I try to improve on that, I'm bringing vibes and put on the bag. So as me as I do, pick up on yourself, I don't know, say, Princezach. I mean, hold on, I'm family, and I'm family. Pick up on yourself, PZ family, and stay safe out there, because COVID, anyways, COVID now go on, but only can, isn't it? Stay safe out there, can't do the party ropes, isn't it? Stay safe, isn't it? Wear the mask, protection. If now check out one cat here, isn't it? And we're wearing the mask, no? And the strap, because you don't know what's going to go on, so bring your mask and your strap. You can't put the ends empty and thin, isn't it? You can't leave a strap on there, you can put the ends. So, I don't know what else to say right now about uncluded. Like, me hot like a fire, but Anyways, my back now, and I'll get more consistent video. That's all I'm never telling you, because I don't know. So. Damn. Not dark, don't it? Alright, camera. Yeah, the camera. Don't look like me, I catch a little blackness from all in. Why am I black, man? So, this is the end of this dramatic. I don't know what happened when I say a little thing go down and make a little one get blah 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 stories. So, when you comment down, if you want a story time, they are now. But if you don't know me, if you don't comment about it, I am not comment on that. I'm not telling you what happened. Even though I'm not thinking, I'm telling you what. If you don't want it, just let me know. I'll let you got it. Being on the friggin' tinny shirt and I'm fucking closet. And I'm still fucking that. Shut up. Jamaica is being rude. Tinny is friggin' shirt and I'm a closet.
I ain't got no friends, I got brothers, I ain't leaving. Focus on the cream, if it ain't cash, it ain't competing.